Welcome to Global Automotive Insights and English Learning, where expertise meets language.
Good morning, everyone. Today we'll discuss how ChatGPT can revolutionize our operations. Our focus will be on enhancing profitability, productivity, and decision-making while integrating the latest trends in green and electric vehicle development. Sarah, could you start us off with your priorities?
Thank you, Katie. James, I'd like to understand how ChatGPT can help us improve profitability, productivity, and innovation. How it can provide actionable insights for trends in EV and green automotive components. How we can align these insights with our company's long-term goals for sustainability and market leadership. Could you walk us through this?
Absolutely, Sarah. Let's break this into 3 areas. Improving core operations, addressing emerging trends, and implementing strategic solutions. ChatGPT is instrumental in identifying cost-saving opportunities and improving efficiency. It can analyze supplier contracts to suggest better terms or bulk discounts. It benchmarks our operational performance against industry standards to highlight inefficiencies. For productivity, ChatGPT identifies bottlenecks in workflows and recommends automation solutions. It optimizes resource allocation to ensure maximum output with minimal waste.
Could you give an example of how this applies to EV manufacturing?
Certainly, if ChatGPT detects delays in EV battery procurement, it might recommend alternative suppliers or suggest consolidating orders to save on costs and improve delivery time. Let's address the key trends where ChatGPT can provide value. Firstly, battery innovation and cost reduction. ChatGPT can analyze global research to identify advancements in solid-state batteries and high-density lithium-ion batteries. It suggests strategies for reducing production costs, like sourcing raw materials more efficiently or scaling manufacturing processes. Secondly, advancements in autonomous driving technology. It identifies partnerships with AI firms specializing in autonomous systems. ChatGPT highlights the potential of integrating advanced sensors, LiDAR, and machine learning algorithms into our vehicles. Thirdly, expansion and improvement of charging infrastructure. ChatGPT provides insights into the most effective locations for new charging stations based on customer demand and travel patterns. It can recommend partnerships with governments and private firms to expand infrastructure sustainably. Lastly, recycling and circular economy. ChatGPT identifies global leaders in battery recycling and suggests best practices for implementing closed-loop systems. It provides strategies to meet sustainability goals while reducing waste.
James, these are compelling insights. How does ChatGPT ensure actionable recommendations?
By processing real-time data and analyzing feasibility, ChatGPT ensures our decisions are informed and effective. For instance, it might recommend focusing on solid-state battery R&D, given its potential to revolutionize EV performance. ChatGPT also supports implementation in 3 ways. Predictive modeling. It simulates the impact of entering new EV markets or adopting cutting-edge technologies. Risk assessment. It identifies challenges like supply chain disruptions and proposes mitigation strategies. Goal alignment. Every recommendation aligns with our strategic objectives for sustainability, cost efficiency, and innovation.
Can it also enhance collaboration across departments?
Absolutely. ChatGPT centralizes insights, ensuring teams from R&D, sales, and operations are aligned on goals and resources.
Thank you, James. That was both insightful and actionable. Sarah, do you feel confident about integrating ChatGPT and prioritizing these EV strategies?
Absolutely, Katie. James's examples of battery innovation and autonomous driving trends were especially eye-opening.
Let's give James a round of applause for his leadership. Thank you all for your participation. Let's turn these insights into action. Meeting adjourned.
Ready to accelerate your skills? Stay tuned for more English learning and automotive insights designed for you.